Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a client tutorial on my beautiful model Alexandra, and we'll be jumping straight into it with the Mecca Max eyeshadow primer. So now that the eyes are primed, we're jumping straight into the eyeshadow. I'm using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk Palette, and this is the shade Amber. For this shade, I'm using my MAC 224 brush, and as you can see, I'm just doing circular motions, buffing that shadow back and forth so we get a nice seamless blend. Now I'm just buffing in the shade OUD, I think it's pronounced Eid, and we're just buffing that on the outer part of the eye. And the brush I'm using for this is the MAC 221 brush. It's a little bit smaller so you can be a little bit more precise, and I like using this sort of smaller buffing brush on the outer parts of the eyes. So now I'm just using a concealer. I think this one is the NARS Creamy Concealer, and I'm just mapping out in the sort of inner part of the eye where we're going to be putting a pigment down, just so that the pigment sort of stands out a little bit more. So now just using a flat shader brush. This is the 239 brush from MAC, and I'm also using a MAC pigment. This one is the color Tan, and just pressing that onto the area that we put the concealer down. So now we're just going to repeat the same steps on the bottom lash line. Now we're going to apply some false lashes. These ones are the Tati lashes in the style TL6. So now moving on to skin, I'm just using the Mecca Cosmetica Illuminating Primer, followed by the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. So now using the NARS Creamy Concealer, we're just going to pop that under the eye and buff out using a 224 brush. And then for powder, I'm going to be using the MAC Next to Nothing powder in the shade Medium Dark, followed by the Give Me Sun bronzer, also by MAC Cosmetics. To give the skin even more of a bronzy kind of colour, I'm going in with the Hourglass Radiant Bronze Light powder. So for blush today, I'm using the MAC Blush in Peaches, followed by the Bobbi Brown highlighter in Bronze Glow. Then for lips, I'm just going in with this Lena Lips Lip Treatment in Lemonade, and then using the MAC Cosmetics lipstick in Honey Love. And then finishing the look with the MAC Fix Plus. that is the finished look. Let me know down below what kind of looks you guys want to see next. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!